Welcome to another tutorial video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the exact steps to remove a calendar event from the event on the website. So, for example, if we click on My ELS, which is the parent page, we'll see there is a calendar in list view currently. And let's suppose there is an event that you wish to remove. For example, this one called Children Sing on Sunday, April 21st. If we want to remove that manually, because this is currently synced with a Google Calendar, we can actually head over to the back end of the site. So if we're on the main site and we're logged in, we can click on the name of the school in the upper left of the toolbar to get to the dashboard. From there, we're going to click on Events. And we'll go ahead and scroll through this list of events and find the one for April 21st called Children Sing. Now if we hover over that, we can click Hide and Ignore, as there are sometimes events that get synced from the Google Calendar and they get removed from the Google Calendar, but occasionally we'll have the scenario where those don't get removed from the website. Not because the sync is broken, but sometimes there's just a little bit of a disconnect on the Google Calendar side for whatever reason. This can happen from time to time. So you have to realize that most of the time the sync is more of a one-way sync, where the website is actually importing events from the Google Calendar, and that's why sometimes when you remove something on the Google side, it may not always 100% of the time remove every event that is removed on the Google side. But most of the time it should. So that's how you can effectively remove events manually on the website side if they're not synced properly. So if we go back to the My ELS page here, you can see that that Children Sing event is now hidden. If you wish to restore it, you'll simply go back into the website dashboard, click on Events, and click on Ignored or Trash, and then you can hover over it and click on Restore, and it will be restored to the calendar and show up again. That's all there is to it. Let Gradelink website support know if you have any further questions.